Welcome back to another edition of CCS Sons Workshop. Today I've got the Ryobi edger attachment for the expanded line of tools. We're going to open it up, test it out, and give you my impressions and thoughts and see how it does. Let's dig into it. Pretty simple, not a lot in the box. It's got the edger itself and an instruction manual, and it looks like a couple tools. So there's the blade. Rides along your curb like such and edges your lawn nice and neat. This is the expanded attachment end. I'll show you how you swap that out. I have it set up with a weed eater currently, so we'll plug this in and be able to edge the lawn. So you see I have the weed eater attachment on my Ryobi tool. It's part of the expanded collection, and all you do to change it out is you loosen up the attachment, push in the little button, and you pull out the one you want to change. There's the old one, weed eater. I'll set it aside. Then you take your new edger and you plug it right into that same hole. Push the button down, snaps in. Tighten it up. And then you're good to go. You can make some adjustments on this wheel. Tighten down that wheel, it moves up and down to control the depth, and I don't need it very deep, so I set it at its shallowest setting. And let's put a battery on it and go try it out. When you're all done, you loosen up the connection. Push down the pin and pull it out. And then they give you this handy little hanger. You put that on the end, and then you can hang it up on your tool rack.
So overall, I really did like this edger. It does a nice job, cleans up the edges of the lawn very nicely, and it was only $70 at the Orange Box store. I'll put a link in the description below where you can find it if you're interested. But it's great having one battery to run all these 3 different tools, and interchangeability is very handy. So if you're in the market and thinking about this, I do recommend it. Let me know in the comments below if you pick one up and how it works for you. Till then, see you in the next video.